If you'd like to check out a delicious stirred down sloe gin cocktail, keep watching on Let's Talk Drinks. Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to make for you the San Francisco. The San Francisco cocktail, it's been around since 1937 and I found it in the Cafe Royale cocktail book. And the first thing that it calls for is 30 mils or 1 ounce of sloe gin. I'm using the Brookie's Sloe Gin. Second ingredient is 30 mils or 1 ounce of a sweet vermouth. I'm using our house vermouth, which is the Dolan Rouge. Then 30 mils or 1 ounce of dry vermouth, using the Dolan Dry here. Just got enough too. And last but not least, just a couple dashes of Regan's orange bitters. Add some ice. Give that a little bit of a stir down. Now looking at the specs, it's kind of like a twist on a perfect Manhattan. Instead of using the rye or bourbon, we're using a sloe gin. We're just chilling this cocktail down, adding a little bit of dilution as well. Make sure also that you chill down your glassware. All right, let's give it a bit of a try. It's missing something. 1 dash of Angostura bitters as well. If you're wondering why I'm adding bitters to the cocktail or why they did back in the day and even nowadays, the best way that I describe using bitters is it's kind of like seasoning your food. If I was to cook a steak or something, I always season it with some salt and pepper. It's the same. Bitters does the same thing pretty much. Strain that into a Nick and Nora glass. And for the garnish, it calls for a maraschino cherry. That is the San Francisco cocktail. Cheers. Yum. I'm actually surprised how well the sloe gin goes with the vermouths. Now, with the Brookie's Sloe Gin, it isn't actually macerated sloe berries that is inside this sloe gin. It is Davidson plums. And that sort of plum goes just perfectly with the sweet vermouth and the dry vermouth. Guys, if you don't have Brookie's Sloe Gin in the country that you're viewing, you can use Hayman's, you can use Plymouth, any other type of sloe gin. If you have any other similar cocktail recipes like this, please comment below, like, subscribe. See you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.